Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. I'm going to make a little short video here explaining my irrigation system that I come up with. I'm not sure if this is an original, but it's my original. But anyway, today is, what is today? Today is Friday, July the 5th. And I happen to be off today, and but anyway, I want to show you the irrigation system that I've got. I'm going to take and turn you around here and sort of explain it to you here. Alright, now what we have, or what I have done, is I have took a piece of PVC pipe and drilled a bunch of holes in it, and I've got it in sections, and everything is loosely fit. I took an old washing machine hose that I saved, and it will fit on a 3/4 inch PVC pipe. Not good, but it will fit good enough. And I've got me some metal stakes here that kind of hold it up off the ground and position it. I have an old water hose that I take and run my water to, but I'm going to show you the main part right here. Somebody had threw away an old water tank, and it actually had the spigot on the bottom. And so what I done is I cut it half in two and set it on top of a barrel so I can have a little bit more gravity. And show you the inside. I took and put a screen over the outlet part to so no small particles can get into the pipe. And I'm going to show you right here. I took a small drill bit. It's about a 3/32, not hardly an 1/8. Anyway, and drilled holes about every 5 to 6 inches apart. And I've got let me show you this right here. I've got a cap on the end of this, and I can make this as long as I want. I've got slip joints right here that I can make it as long as I need it. But let me demonstrate it here for you a little bit. Just take and put 10 or 15 gallons of water in this, and I can turn it on. And let's come around here. And I want to show you. Look right there. Now, what I can do is I can put over how much water I want to irrigate this row in that tank. And I don't have to worry about it not shutting off. I don't have to worry about it whatever. And it will take, and when it runs out of water, it just automatically quit. Anyway, I just wanted to show this to you. It's something simple, something I come up with. Not, like I said, I'm not for certain if it's original, but it's original to me. And if somebody else come up with the idea, then I give them the credit. Anyway, this little short video just showing you something that that I have made from a garden, and it kind of helps. Thanks again for watching the Rockwood Mountain Gardener, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe button, and I will have future videos, but my gardening technique is all natural, no chemicals, no fertilizer, no dig. Now when I plant something, I do take and pull the soil back a little bit and plant, but no deep penetration into the soil. Anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening.